This LOlaran Metal Detector Kit stands out for its lightweight folding design and adjustable shaft that makes it comfortable for adults of many heights to carry and use for long outings. The large backlit display and straightforward controls are especially friendly for beginners, while the waterproof search coil lets you sweep confidently over wet sand, shallow water, and dewy grass. Its rechargeable lithium battery and support for power banks mean you can spend long days detecting without constantly worrying about swapping disposable batteries. An advanced digital signal processor, multiple sensitivity levels, and solid detection depth help it pick up coins, jewelry, and small relics with impressive accuracy in varied soil conditions. The included backpack, headphones, and sturdy digging tool make this a genuinely complete kit, so you can head straight to the field without hunting for extra accessories. Thoughtful touches like the compact foldable frame, clear user manual, and overall balanced build quality make it a strong choice for hobbyists who want a serious yet approachable detector.